I'm Robert Keith. I'm from Casper, Wyoming here. This is our farm. 4th generation rancher here in Wyoming.
I'm 5th.
He's 5th. We're ranchers and farmers both. We put hay up for ourselves, plus we sell it. And that's a big part of it because we have to sell hay to be able to keep going. Got a lot of cattle, but we're dependent on our hay for our cattle. Well, we've been in business here since '95. We put our last pivot in last year. It's been a long road, and I've gone through all of the different tires and everything else that is out there, and this is by far the best thing that is out there. There's no comparison. These ones we're just not getting stuck like we was. Everything's just a lot better. The way they're made, definitely a lot more traction than a pneumatic tire. It's made our lives a little better not changing tires. These tires have made me want to put them on all my pivots. Probably gonna buy as many as fast as I can and get them on the rest of them, because I think everybody ought to start running them. I mean, I just see the maintenance go down so much on my farm that, you know, we're a 2-man crew around here. We've got 10 pivots and we don't have time to be changing tires. Normally you have to keep tires on hand, and usually it's right when you're getting ready to cut the field, when it's the best product there is, and you got to come out here with jacks and blocks and everything and switch tires out, and I just don't see that that's going to happen with this anymore. The money that you're saving by not being broke down is a big cost.
They're doing what you guys say they're doing.
Yeah, by far.
Which is cool.